You may be wondering why I'm all dressed up. And I'm really just dressed up because I'm about to make eggs because I'm famished. And I want to show you guys how I make these eggs because my friend's sister's cousin told me that these are the best way to make eggs. It has like an African flair or a Nigerian flair to it. I'll show you what that is. And I look this tired because I am this tired. Having a job is not for the weak, guys. Trust me. My lip combo is a lip pencil in wild cherry and elf glow reviver lip oil. Nothing's too special. So yeah, let me just show you guys how I make my eggs so I could get back to work. A working girl, always working. It's not like even something that I wanted, it's just like being an adult. Okay, so let's head upstairs to make our eggs. I am exhausted, like so tired. But that's why I need to eat so I have energy to take me to 4 p.m. We are in the kitchen to make our eggs. We need eggs. I'm gonna use this bread because it's really soft. It's called a Gigi bread. I got it from this Nigerian grocery store. I already ate quarter of it, as you can see, with literally nothing. The special ingredient here is crawfish. When I put this in my eggs, it just tastes so much sweeter. And I think this is what my ex was using before, because I learned how to make these eggs from him. I need to get butter. Butter and onion and hot pepper. Also want to make hot chocolate. Hot chocolate with eggs, yummy breakfast. You guys like my shorts? Really need a little bit of onions, so I'm just gonna cut it up like this. I like to put onions in my eggs. I put onions in everything. I'm only making 2 eggs, so I don't need too much onion. That should be enough. Someone's texting me. And then just a little bit of pepper. Hot pepper. Just a little goes a long way. That should be enough for 2 eggs. The bowl for the eggs. Ooh. I feel like my eggs, like something's wrong. Some of them are stuck together, but it says it expires April 14th. So I heard eggs are hella expensive in the US of A. See what I mean when I say it's weird? Because why is this shell? I'm so annoyed. Going into it. Just be trying to like make something, something out of nothing. These eggs, I don't really know. You guys know that anxiety song? It's just stuck in my head. So you have to add enough salt, not too much and not too little either, because it's only 2 eggs. Okay, hold on. This should be enough. There's my frying pan. I've had this frying pan since like 2021. I'm not sure. I can't remember if it was new or someone gave it to me. The grounded fish, you have to put enough of this too. Not too much, just enough. For this, you could use your finger. You just grab. That should be good enough. And like I said, that's the main ingredient with my onions and pepper. That should be it. So now we know how to make it. I'm just gonna whip it up just how you whip up eggs. You put your oil. You fry the onions first though. For like a minute, like a quick minute, and then you put the egg. You get it. Just like I told you. Almost done. While that's doing that, I'm gonna put shit away. I'm tired. Now I'm just making my tea. There's not a lot left, so I'm just gonna use all of it. This is how our eggs came out. It looks beautiful. And that's all for today.